much I love you. It's time to go home now, and I'm gonna empty hand. So I have the car keys, she helps me to back, and then I tell her as I turn up the light, say my darling,